Hey folks, Bruce from Modern Driveline. We are going to be returning back to this year's SEMA show for 2024. We have some exciting new things to be debuting. It'll be in the product showcase, and that will be in the central hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center. Some new exciting products that we'll have available at the show is some new master cylinder kits along with our Eliminator Series external hydraulics. We also have the 4050 5-speed kit for a F-Series truck and Bronco. We'll have a 1979 Bronco as a featured car, so you can see the 5-speed that's been installed in that with a married transfer case. So again, exciting stuff here at Modern Driveline at the SEMA show. So come by, see us, and we'll be there.